Arch Linux has gained considerable popularity for several compelling reasons. 1. Customizability. Tailored installations. Arch Linux follows a rolling release model and uses a do-it-yourself approach to installation. Unlike many other distributions that come with a pre-configured set of software, Arch allows users to start from scratch. They can choose which kernel, desktop environment such as GNOME, KDE, or a lightweight option like XFCE and other system components to install. This level of control is ideal for users who want a system precisely tailored to their needs, whether it's a minimal server setup or a high-end multimedia workstation. Package management. The Pacman package manager in Arch Linux is known for its simplicity and efficiency. It allows users to easily install, update, and remove packages. Additionally, the Arch User Repository (AUR) is a community-maintained repository that contains thousands of user-contributed packages. This means that users can access a vast array of software that may not be available in the official repositories, further enhancing the system's customizability. 2. Up-to-date software. Rolling release model. Arch Linux operates on a rolling release system. Instead of waiting for major version updates like some other distributions, e.g., Ubuntu releases a new long-term support version every 2 years, Arch continuously updates its software. This ensures that users always have access to the latest versions of applications, libraries, and the Linux kernel. For developers and enthusiasts who rely on the latest features and security patches, this is a significant advantage. 3. Community and documentation. Knowledgeable community. The Arch Linux community is one of its greatest assets. It consists of experienced users, developers, and enthusiasts who are willing to help others. Forums, wikis, and online communities provide a wealth of information and support. Whether a user is facing a technical issue or looking for advice on system optimization, they can usually find answers from the community. Comprehensive documentation. The Arch Wiki is renowned for its high quality and detailed documentation. It covers everything from basic installation guides to advanced system configurations. The wiki is constantly updated by the community, making it a reliable source of information for both beginners and advanced users. 4. Performance and efficiency. Minimalistic design. Since users can build their Arch Linux systems from the ground up, they can avoid installing unnecessary software and bloat. This results in a lean and efficient operating system that consumes fewer system resources. For older hardware or systems with limited resources, Arch Linux can provide a smooth and responsive experience. 5. Learning experience. Educational value. Installing and managing an Arch Linux system requires a certain level of technical knowledge. This makes it an excellent choice for those who want to learn more about how Linux systems work. By going through the installation process, configuring the system, and troubleshooting issues, users can gain a deeper understanding of Linux internals, system administration, and software management.